हिट अँड रन म्हणून नोंद केल्ल्या कन्हैया कुमार मरण प्रकरणात पोस्टमॉर्टम अहवाला उपरांत खुनाचो गुन्यांव नोंद जाल्लो। फोंडेच्या 3 पुलिसांक निलंबितूय केल्ले। आता या प्रकरणात फोंडे पुलीस स्टेशनावेली सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज मेळोवपाचो आमचो यत्न चालू आसा, अशें दक्षिण गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक सुनीता सावंत हिणें सांगलें।
25 जूनाक लोटले वेर्णा वाठारांत रस्त्या कुशीक एका अनवळखी मनशाची कूड सापडिल्ली। मायणा कुट्टरी पुलिसांनी हिट अँड रन प्रकरण म्हणून ते नोंद केल्ले। कन्हैया कुमाराची वळख पटल्या उपरांत ताच्या घरच्यांक चौकशे खातीर पुलिसांनी ताब्यातूय घेतिल्ले। मात पोस्टमॉर्टम अहवाला उपरांत कन्हैया कुमाराचेर धारदार हत्यारान वार केल्ल्याचे उक्ताडार आयले आनी मायणा कुट्टरी पुलिसांनी निमणे खुनाचो गुन्यांव नोंद केलो। ट्रकाच्या दबक्याक लागून न्हय तर कन्हैयाचेर वार केल्ल्या कारणान ताका मरण आयिल्ल्याचे पोस्टमॉर्टम अहवालांतल्यान स्पश्ट जाला। अशें आसतनाय सध्या ट्रक चालकाक अटक करून ताचेर गुन्यांव नोंद केल्लो आसा। मायणा कुट्टरी पुलिसांच्या तपासान फोंडे पुलिशेन नोंद एका प्रकरणात सामील आशिल्ल्यान फोंडे पुलिसांच्या ताब्यात आशिल्लो होच कन्हैया कुमार लोटले कसो पावलो असो प्रश्न उपरासता। फोंडे पुलिसांच्या रोबोट गाडयेन ताका लोटले हाडून सोडले अशें तपासात उक्ताडार आयल्या उपरांत हवालदार रवींद्र नायक, कॉन्स्टेबल अश्विन सावंत आणि रोबोट वाहन चालक प्रितेश प्रभू या तिनूय पुलिसांक निलंबित केले। मात नेमको या सगळ्या प्रकरणाचो मुखेल सूत्रधार कोण हे सोदून काडपा खातीर फोंडे पुलीस स्टेशनावेली सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज हो महत्वाचो पुरावो। तेन्ना या संदर्भातलो तपास चालू आशिल्ल्याचे दक्षिण गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक सुनीता सावंत हिणें सांगला।
Investigating it, that part, how it has been going missing and all that.
Investigations are on. Investigations.
Madam, was there any station diary of the Ponda police station that CCTV is not working or was not working since when?
We are investigating. We have
Madam,
called
which
for
station
all.
diary I'm asking about.
We have called for all documentation. We have called for all documentation.
The CCTV of the Ponda police station.
Yes, it is one of the crucial part of the evidence. Yes,
What has
yes.
happened to that?
It is getting analyzed.
Are you recovering it or somebody?
It is getting analyzed. I said part of investigation. We'll see that. As I said, made a statement. Even the JMFC, the court, is having arrested the accused. Is monitoring the investigation. Is seeing the investigation part of
The
it.
accused was arresting the driver of the vehicle and he
Yeah.
is cursed. And as per his statement, he doesn't know what he has cursed. But anyways, 302 section is added.
Yes.
But it is an accident. Why it is a murder?
That we are verifying.
I may be.
No, it is a murder.
I may be
Definitely, you have a cause. It is a murder is because there are certain injuries shown on the postmortem report.
Right.
The postmortem report says about some sharp cut injury. Yes.
Madam,
So
the
under
part is cut. The nerves are damaged.
that is why we have added the section of 302.
Why on the driver of the truck?
No, at this stage, our
can get down from
no
the
no no.
vehicle.
At this stage, I am telling you, investigations are in progress.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।